rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.
Hey, what is up everybody? This is your YouTuber Jazzy, and in today's video, you will be taking a look at my cleanup / doing laundry day. Today is Friday. I normally do this Thursday, but I was quite busy Thursday having fun. So right now I am doing the laundry and folding it. These are mostly just socks because if you watch my Vlogmas Day video 17 yesterday, you will understand. If not, you better go watch it right now or you will miss out all the fun. I'm just putting all my laundry away because we are not filthy animals. Well, I'm not a filthy animal, of course. And we're putting the socks away. Now I'm cleaning my bathroom. I actually cleaned my whole bathroom, but this is the only angle where you can't see my face, so yeah. And now I'm doing the mirror. That's all I have. Bye.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?